Finally, London. The land of football and pubs. Why does it smell like wet cigarettes? Oh no, my battery is at 1%. I am completely screwed now. I am lost. What can I do without my phone?
Can I help you?
I think I need a map for directions.
Let me see. Here is a London map. Good luck with this.
Why is the map so big? This isn't easy. I am 1 in a million here, and I am lost. Excuse me, sir, but can you help me? I am afraid I can't find my hotel.
Yes, sure. Walk past the clock, then turn left at the pub, then straight ahead to the hotel.
What's wrong with you? Do you need any help?
I was supposed to go straight ahead, but now the road is going in circles.
Don't worry, it is just a roundabout. Just take the second exit and continue straight.
The map is wet. I can't find anything. Oh yeah, I'm at King's Cross. That's also what the map says. What's going on in this city? Look left here and you die. It's a red light, but nobody cares. We are all jaywalking.
Hey! Watch my dog! You're going the wrong way, Muppet!
I am officially lost. Very lost. Why does it always rain on me? I can't breathe. I am drowning here. Finally, no rain. But now there is a fog. How can I find my hotel if I can't see anything? Damn, I didn't see this pole at all. Yeah, I better go in here. Beans. That sounds right. Closed? Really? No. I think London really hates me. I made it. I found my hotel. Thank you for following me. Come and visit my hotel in the next video.
Hello, class. I'm Mr. Tom, your teacher.
Listen up, students. Finding your way in a big city isn't magic. It's a formula. The action, use verbs like go, turn, take, and cross. For example, go straight ahead means no turning. Keep walking straight until you hit a wall. Go past. Use it if something like a building is on your side, but you do not stop there. If you refer to landmarks, use the. For example, turn at the light. Go past the pub. Or say, take the second exit. If you at a roundabout, position versus movement. To the left is a direction. However, on the left, describe something in a fixed position. The word opposite is your best friend. It means that something is just across. Use on the corner of for precision. For example, say on the corner of King Street and Main Street if something is at this exact location. A pro tip: if someone says it is just a stone's throw away, it means that it's close, but they are probably lying. Mistake alert: don't say turn to left, just say turn left. If you need to ask somebody for directions, say this: could you point me in the direction of the Grand Hotel? Let's do a mini quiz. You are at the pub. The hotel is across the street. Where is it? The correct answer is opposite. Did you get it right? Yeah, we are nearly done. Now, let's just burn a few phrases into your brain again. Loud and clear, repeat after me. Turn left at the pub. I am opposite the station. I am on the corner.
My hotel is not as I imagined. It is really terrible. I'll show it to you in my next video. Please subscribe to my channel. Thank you, and see you soon.